Good morning, class 7th. So, yesterday we started with the topic modals, and I told you what modals are. We started this yesterday, verb modals, lesson number 12 of your grammar book at page number 69. You can open your books, and I am going to give you a lecture on modals. So, listen it carefully. So, yesterday I told you that what is modals? It's a form of verb only, and these are a type of helping verbs. We call it helping verbs, okay? And they are also known as modal auxiliaries. Clear? So they help the speaker to convey the mental status. So whenever we use these words, they convey the mental status of the speaker. Means speaker क्या कहना चाह रहा है, उसका क्या mental status है, ये जो modals हैं हमें वो बताते हैं. So today is 18th and it is Wednesday, and we are continuing this message. So modal verbs are हमारे क्या क्या होते हैं? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, need to, have to. So all these are our modal verbs. These are called the modal verbs. And if we have to change them into negative, तो can का बन जाएगा can't, couldn't, would का wouldn't, like this. ठीक है? तो if we have to change the negative forms, negative modals. So these are negative modals. Now these modal verbs are joined with the main verbs. They are joined with the main verbs and in their basic form. And they show the different meanings intended by the speaker. Like they show the ability, possibility, probability, necessity, duties, obligation, duties and privileges, permission, if you have to take some permission. So we can use all these words according to our requirement. Intention, willingness, whatever we call. Certainty, if you are certain about something, so you can use must. Prohibition, अगर कोई prohibition है और आपने तो where there we will use the negative modals if some prohibition is there. So all this I have explained you in my previous lecture. It is just the recapitulation. Like if you want to say that these modals, they don't change their form. Only there is the past tense of these modals. Can, and the past tense is could. Can is the ये इसका जो could है, it is the past tense of can. Would is the past tense of will. Should is the past tense of shall. And might is the past tense of may. This also I have explained you earlier. Okay. So if I will say now, according to the chart that is on the page number 70, open page number 70 of your book, there is a chart in which it is written that the usage of can, could, cannot and couldn't. So in that chart, you have to make that chart in your notebook. And I told you yesterday also that whatever you have to write, you start with the definition, with the name of the subject, lesson number, and with the definition. Then you give the examples, all this, and negative modals. Then you write all these in your notebooks. And up till here, you have to write respectively, right? So then you have to draw this chart in your notebooks. You have to draw this complete usage of can and could. Put all this in your notebook, so it will be very clear the where you can use, where you are using can in different situations. So in somewhere it is used as an ability, likewise. So if we talk about this chart, we have discussed it yesterday also, but still I will give you a briefing. Like the modal can be used in several ways. If we say that he can speak Spanish, he can speak Spanish, right? So when I say he can speak Spanish, here it is showing the ability. And if I say they can finish the work today, they can. So here they can finish the work today in the second sentence of your book. It is showing the possibility. It is showing the possibility or the probability. So it conveys the mental status. Here it is showing the ability, can. He can speak means he is able to speak Spanish. Here it is telling about the ability. Here they can finish the work. They can means there is a possibility that they can finish this work today. So here it is used in the second sentence, it is used as a possibility. Then in the third sentence, can I sit here for some time? Here it is seeking some permission. So whenever it is an interrogative form, so the modal verb, it is placed in the beginning. So we start with that. Can I sit here for some time? Third sentence in your chart. So it is seeking permission. There you are seeking some permission. So there the can is used in this way. In this it is used as an ability. Here it is showing the possibility. Here it is seeking permission. Then in the fourth sentence, can you lend me some money? It is showing the request. Can you lend me some money? Means you are requesting कि क्या तुम मुझे थोड़े पैसे दोगे? Can you lend me some money? And the fifth one, can I help you lift this box? Can I help you? Now you are offering yourself for help. So it shows the offer. In fifth sentence, it shows the offer. So it is according to the chart. ये जो आपका चार्ट है कैन कोड वाला, ये उसके अकॉर्डिंगली है. So here, and if we use the can't, so I can't attend the meeting. It is showing the prohibition. Sixth वाला जो can't है, it is showing the prohibition. Means मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकता. आपने सीधा मना कर दिया. That means prohibition. So similarly, could. अब could का आ जाता है. Could I borrow your magazine? So could is more formal than can. When we are seeking permission here, the question was, can I sit here for some time? It is just you are asking, you are seeking some permission. But if I use could, it is more formal. So if I say, could I borrow your magazine? So here it is seeking permission, but in a very formal way. It is seeking permission, but in a formal way. Clear? So here could is when we use could for seeking permission, so it is in a very formal way. Could you please help me lift the carton? It is again a request. So it's a very in the second sentence it is a request. In the third sentence, you could go to the doctor today. So in the third sentence, it's a suggestion. The fourth sentence, I think she could be the HM, means you are just assuming. It is your it is your prediction. So it is the possibility that he can be the HM, but you are not sure about it. Possibility or probability, both can happen. And the last, when you're talking about some past ability, then you use couldn't. I could, if you say I could run for 1 hour when I was thin, means जब मैं पतला था तो मैं 1 घंटा दौड़ सकता था, but I couldn't run, I couldn't do it, अब मैं नहीं कर सकता, तो ये बताता है आपकी past ability. Now come to, so I hope I'm clear with this. I have explained you again, I have recapitulated this part of your modals. So now come to the exercise that is on the page number 70. Exercise on page number 70. So state the use of can, could, can't, couldn't in the following. So हमें इनके uses बताने हैं कि इसमें ये किस फॉर्म में यूज़ हुआ है, कौन सी स्टेट में यूज़ हुआ है. I could finish my course faster when I was at home. I could finish my course faster when I was at home. So in this sentence it is saying that I could have finished my course faster अगर मैं घर पे होता, तो means possibility show कर रहा है. It is showing the possibility. Can I go now? You are seeking permission. Simply we can meet the principal and discuss the matter. We can meet the principal and discuss the matter means it is showing the possibility. So you can meet the principal, it is a possibility. Can I use your compass? Again it's seeking permission. Again it is, it can't rain today, the sky is clear. Here it is a negative modal, can't. So it is showing the prohibition. It is showing the prohibition means the sky is clear, आज बारिश नहीं हो सकती, it cannot rain today, so it is showing complete prohibition. That couldn't be Ram, he does not read like that. That couldn't be Ram. So you are means it's a past ability. It shows the past ability. That couldn't be Ram. ये हो ही नहीं सकता क्योंकि वो ऐसा नहीं करता था. It does not read like this, like that. So you are talking about something that happened in the past, so that is, it is showing the past ability. How can I help you? You are offering that मैं आपकी help कैसे कर सकता हूँ. Can you help me do this sum? So it is a request. I can't write shorthand. It's a prohibition कि मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकता, so it is showing the prohibition. Then the next one is, could you please be subscribe for me? So again it is a request, and if we are using could, that is a formal request. Seeking it's a formal request, it's a very cordial request, polite request कह सकते हैं हम इसको when we use could. Because in seeking permission, offering or requesting can is less formal, and the modals may and could are more formal. Because when you ask your teacher, may I come in? So that is why we use may, because it is more formal. Can I come in? It doesn't look nice when we say like these words. So that is why we use may or could. That is much better. Now we will discuss about this chart. Again you have to make this chart into your notebooks. Draw this chart in your notebooks. Usage of may, might, may not and might not. So in may, I take some sheets of paper. It is a request. May I help you? It is an offer. Now I am talking about the chart on page number 71. So I am discussing about the usage of may, might, may not and might not. So listen carefully. So it is on the chart. It is on the page number 71. Chart of may, might, may not or might not. So if I say, may I take some sheets of paper, that means it is showing the request. May I take some? Simply it's a request. So, but if I say, may I help you, means you are offering your help. May I switch off? May I switch off the fans? That is, you are seeking permission. The earth may cool down by 2020. That is a possibility or a probability that it can happen. May you be blessed with the good health, means it's your wish or desire that you be blessed with the good health. She might not go to school tomorrow as she's sick. It's a might we use when there is a future possibility or a probability. She might not go to school tomorrow, कि शायद वो कल स्कूल ना जाए क्योंकि वो बीमार है. So it is showing the future possibility. He wanted to know if he might borrow the car. So he wanted to know if he might borrow the car means वो ये जानना चाहती थी क्या वो कार खरीदना चाहता है. तो again it is a request. So now we will come to the exercise number